Hello everyone, my name is Justin Ibrahim. On this video, I will show you an easy way to create a Christmas poster using AI. But above all, I wish you the best Christmas preparations. Follow the following steps to complete the Christmas poster. First of all, go to the browser Google or Chrome, then search Bring Images Creator. Click First Site. Complete to sign up for free coin. Help you to create image. Sign with your email after signing up. Write your prompt here to create your poster. Example, my prompt, create an image that captures people celebrating Christmas, depicting joy, gifts, and Christmas decorations. Ensure to convey a festive atmosphere with people enjoying the holiday warmth together. Then click Create. Wait a few minutes if you are on the right step of generate your good poster for Christmas. Posters have already been created. If you need to download, tap a photo, then look to your right. You will see 3 dots. Click, then click Download. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.